Hello guys, this is Cherry. I'm just talking about the grooming with Cherry. This is my channel, and let me introduce about myself. I'm having 16 years of experience in professional as a software consultant, and and also as a grooming consultant. And ladies and gentlemen, I am been doing the grooming to many international clients also, and I'm also the software consultant. I've been working in TCS, Tech Mahindra, HP, all the multinational companies. So I do have lot of vast experience about the entire life journey and what exactly the life is. Let me tell you about something that what exactly the grooming is. Grooming is not only required for the corporates, it's also it's required for the young ladies and gentlemen, to everybody, like the person who just want to get married, who just want to get good guy for husband, or vice versa, or example, or also for the corporates also who want to join corporates, who want to have an engineering or who want to have a professional degree. uh, Everything grooming in a safe. Why grooming? First, you need to have a good personality. Personality doesn't mean that you should look good. You should any look. You should be thin, tall, long, dark, everything. So exactly, you have to build your personality so that what exactly in the industry happens. You have to sell yourself. Sell in the sense, uh, you have to, first impression is that you have to look good, you have to communicate good. Okay, so for that you have to have a certain level of uh, curriculum, that exactly you have to be entire journey, so that you should first look good, then you should have develop your own personality, you should develop your own communication, like communicating in English, communicating in Hindi, or any international language that makes you fit. And also you should take care of your fitness. Fitness doesn't mean that you have to work on gym or do workout, blah blah blah. You don't have to do all those things. You have to just fit in internal, and you have to external. So little bit fitness is required. And after that, you should have a good hairstyle, you should have a good dress sense. What exactly, if you are thin, if you are fatty, or if you are tall, so what exactly the dress sense that fits you. So exactly all everything, that that makes a proper wardrobe. So in that sense, you will be a proper fitness when you give up, when you give to some interview, or when you just discuss with the corporates. So they first have an idea of what exactly you are looking up, how you look, how you communicate. So these are very important basis. I have in 16 years of experience in all multinational organizations. I have been also, apart from my, I'm a software engineer, apart from my software engineering, uh, apart from coding and business development, we also look after the, I also give training to the other corporates about the, many people does the engineering or medical medicine or something other fields, but they don't have the proper personality, and they lose everything. So how to do that, and how to crack also the interviews, what are the latest technologies, or what are the latest technology you can have. You don't have to study more, you don't have to pay for all the high level studies and all those things to get a good job. You should have a better skills. So what skills are required, that also you need to understand. So to get the good good job, everybody has dreamed that at least you should get a good amount of salary package or all those things. Or if somebody wants to get married and a girl want a good boy, so how he has to get a good boy? So for that, she has to groom, or boy has to get a good girl. So how it happened? Because everything, that personality, they don't know what exactly inside and outside. So your personality will speak, and that my organization, my startup is doing that. So basically, in my uh, own startup, that is grooming with Jerry. So that exactly tell you how exactly will make you a star from zero to hero. So from starting for personality development to corporate interview to getting a good guy in the life, getting a, that's opposite sex, vice versa. and getting a good hairstyle, getting a good dress sense, getting good communication in English, Hindi, and generating all the things, entire that entire package who used to give. First, I will just request you, have a chat with me, have a consultant with me. I will just find out what exactly the gap in you. He may be a man or a woman, he may be a boy or a girl. So what exactly the gap with him or her, so that I will find out that gap and I will give the entire solution of that gap, so that that particular person will be a star of the next after getting grooming from me. So I will make him the perfect guy in the sense, whatever class he is, I'll make him a social adorable guy, so that he can pick anything in future. I will teach him the how to get a good career guidance. I will teach him the fitness. I will teach how to move into the corporate, and I will teach him the all the dress sense. I will teach him all the accessories that required for the personality development, communicating good English, communicating in good in Hindi, and how to mock up the interviews and how to grab the new technology that is presently in the market, so that it will be very easier to you to follow the. I just want to be a good friend of you, and I will teach you. So what exactly the gap is there, so that I can find out that gap and put a best solution to it, so that tomorrow you will be a best guy in the market anywhere, in sense of corporates, in the sense of you're getting a good guy in the in your you getting the sense of hubby, or you get a good bride or groom, anything. So anything, I will you will be getting, and after that you will be getting a good personality. You will be getting, you can admit in the good universities, better universities and colleges in any field. So I will just guide you what exactly is your gap. So I will find out the gap and make you the star. That's my job. Thank you.